Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0651, indicates a malfunction related to the sensor reference voltage 2 circuit in Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This specific code suggests that the transmission control module, TCM, has detected an abnormal voltage level affecting the sensor's performance. The TCM is crucial for regulating various functions, including sending the correct voltage to sensors that monitor vehicle operations. When the TCM detects a voltage that is significantly above or below the set value for a continuous period, it stores this DTC in its memory. One of the primary roles of the TCM is to ensure each sensor receives a steady 5-volt reference voltage necessary for accurate readings. A malfunction in this circuit can lead to incorrect data being sent to the TCM, resulting in erratic behavior of the vehicle systems, including transmission issues. This guide will provide detailed insights into the error, its causes, symptoms, and step-by-step troubleshooting processes necessary for resolving the issue. The DTC P0651 primarily affects the transmission control module, TCM, which is a critical electrical component located in the vehicle. The TCM is responsible for managing the transmission's operation and relies on sensors to gather data regarding performance. One of its important functions is to provide a 5-volt power source for various sensors, ensuring they operate correctly. This reference voltage is vital for the sensor's functionality, as it enables them to communicate accurate information to the TCM. Any disruptions to this voltage can lead to miscommunications between the TCM and the vehicle's sensors, resulting in operational malfunctions. The TCM continuously monitors the supplied voltages, and if it detects that the sensor power voltage exceeds or falls below designated limits for over 2 seconds, it triggers a diagnostic process that records DTC P0651. Several potential causes can trigger DTC P0651, starting with a short circuit in the voltage control circuit, VCC, of either the continuously variable transmission, CVT speed sensor, or the torque converter turbine speed sensor. A short to power indicates that there is an unintended connection that allows excessive voltage from the power source to affect the sensor circuits. Conversely, a short to ground may occur when the sensor's output is improperly grounded. Insufficient voltage will be delivered to the TCM, affecting its operation. Additionally, an internal failure within the TCM itself can also prompt the error code, indicating the need for a thorough investigation of this component's functionality. Each cause requires careful diagnosis to determine if additional problems exist or if other systems might also be affected. Symptoms of DTC P0651 typically become evident through visual indicators and changes in vehicle performance. The first noticeable symptom is the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, which warns the driver that a problem has been detected. Additionally, the shift position indicator on the dashboard may blink intermittently, signaling that there is an issue with the transmission controls. Drivers might also experience erratic behavior in the transmission itself, such as unexpected shifting or failure to engage correctly, which can pose challenges when driving. The TCM will store both a confirmed DTC and any relevant freeze frame data, capturing the conditions under which the malfunction was detected. These symptoms collectively indicate a need for immediate diagnostics to prevent further complications. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0651 is to check the power and ground connections feeding the transmission control module, TCM. This involves verifying that the TCM is receiving sufficient voltage and that its ground connection is intact, as these are critical for its operation. Any interruption in power or a poor ground can lead to incorrect voltage readings and prompt the TCM to record the DTC. Once power and ground integrity are confirmed, the next step is to inspect the associated wiring and connections for signs of damage or corrosion. Damaged wires can cause shorts, either to power or to ground, leading to erroneous voltage levels. Finally, it's important to verify the voltage outputs from the sensors themselves to ensure they align with the TCM specified values. This will help confirm whether the sensors are functioning as intended or if they are the source of the issue. In the second troubleshooting step, technicians are required to test the CVT speed sensor. This involves using a multimeter to check the sensor's output voltage and ensure it meets specified manufacturer requirements. An incorrect voltage reading from the CVT speed sensor might indicate it is malfunctioning, which could be the reason for DTC P0651. Next, the torque converter turbine speed sensor also needs testing. Similar to the CVT sensor, it's crucial to verify that this sensor outputs the correct voltage. If either of these sensors shows voltages outside of the acceptable range, they may need replacement. Additionally, checking the harness connections of both sensors is vital to ensure there are no loose or damaged connectors, as poor connectivity can lead to intermittent faults that trigger the DTC. The third troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the transmission control module (TCM) itself for potential internal failures, which could influence the circuit's operation. Any visible signs of damage, corrosion, or defects should be taken seriously, as they could indicate the TCM is not functioning properly. Next, it's beneficial to check if there are any software updates available for the TCM. Manufacturers often release updates to resolve known issues, improve performance, or address bugs. Using a diagnostic scan tool can help provide additional insights into the TCM's function and help retrieve any other related diagnostic trouble codes. Understanding whether the TCM needs reprogramming or replacement is crucial in resolving the fault associated with DTC P0651. Final repair verification is essential to ensure that the issues related to DTC P0651 have been fully resolved. Start by clearing the stored diagnostic trouble codes using a professional scan tool. This resets the system, allowing for a new test cycle. After clearing the codes, a test drive should be performed under various operating conditions to mimic normal driving and allow the system to monitor itself. Throughout the drive, keep an eye on the malfunction indicator light, MIL, to ensure it does not illuminate again. Additionally, pay attention to any previous symptoms that may have been related to the fault, noting any irregularities in the transmission's behavior. If the vehicle operates normally, with no MIL and no new codes triggered, the repair can be considered successful. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding issues such as those indicated by DTC P0651. One of the effective strategies is regular inspections of wiring and connections associated with the TCM and vehicle sensors. By identifying any wear, damage, or corrosion early, you can prevent faults that might lead to significant issues down the road. Additionally, keeping the TCM software updated ensures that the car operates under the latest specifications, potentially preventing sensor miscommunication. Performing routine vehicle diagnostics can also help catch small issues before they escalate, ensuring the longevity and reliability of your vehicle's transmission system. Adopting these practices will contribute to the overall health and performance of your Honda Civic. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0651 and its implications is essential for Honda Civic owners. Recognizing the symptoms early, such as the MIL and blinking shift indicator, can lead to timely interventions and prevent further complications. The troubleshooting steps outlined provide a structured approach to diagnosing and rectifying the issue efficiently. It's essential to conduct thorough diagnostics, examining both the electrical integrity of the TCM and the related sensors to ensure no underlying issues are overlooked. By actively maintaining and monitoring your vehicle, you can ensure its performance and reliability over time, minimizing the risk of encountering DTC P0651 or similar errors in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.